Namaskar everyone. My name is 𝐒𝐤𝐴𝐥𝐨𝐵 Sharma.
And my name is Aradhya Goyal of Grade 8. We are from Sparsh Global School. Today we are going to present our Arduino project, Automatic Clothes Retrieval System. This smart system includes a raindrop sensor, servo motor, Arduino Uno and a battery.
This smart system detects unexpected rainfall using this sensitive sensor. This smart system also has a motorized mechanism attached to the clothesline, which can automatically pull back if the rain starts. To improve efficiency, the system also can work on low LED power. As you can see, I have poured the water droplets on it and the clothesline are back.
When I will wipe the sensor, it will automatically come out.
Thank
Thank
you.
you and have a nice day.